Good day. Today is Saturday, 21st of June, 2025, and today will be slightly different because the focus of today's program will be the event that happened at ExCeL London, A Message of Hope for London by Franklin Graham. It's courtesy of Billy Graham Foundation. I'm pretty sure it's his father. So what happened today was quite fascinating because I decided to go to this event just to have a look because I've never been to an event like this, and it was free and it looked interesting. So the best way to describe the whole affair would be to say that picture a rock concert and a church having a baby. That's essentially what it was. It was performances by three artists, Cece Winans, The Afters, and Michael W. Smith, right? So they had like a proper rock performances, but the content of the lyrics was like more religious. And after that, it was Franklin Graham himself who essentially held a sermon, which was it was quite interesting. I've never had been to an evangelical event before, and it was something novel, and I appreciated it. Especially the fact that it was completely free of charge, despite the scale of the event. The scale was massive. Like it was pure philanthropy on their part to hold such a massive event in ExCeL London, which housed like around 20 to 25,000 people. Right, that's the number of seats that was at the venue, and pretty much like 90% of them were filled because the other 10% were standing next to the stage. So it was quite fascinating. I'll share some screenshots. I'll share some pictures and maybe a segment of the video of the event, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, see you tomorrow with like a more regular segment.
These are people that we've been working with for many years, and they're like my family.